Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to learn about the chapter share and dividends. So for this, at first we have to know what is a share. So if we say in short, a share is a small part of a very big amount. Suppose we can say that I opened a company that is worth 1 lakh. So this is the worth of my company, but I don't have enough amount so that I can open this company. So to raise the amount for which I need the money, so I will divide this 1 lakh rupees into shares, and that shares will be purchased by the common people, and that share amount will be collected here so that I can open the company. So suppose 1 lakh rupees. So if we take that the each share costed rupees 10. So I divided the 1 lakh rupees company into rupees 10 shares. So number of shares from here we can say that it will be 10,000 shares. Number of shares is 10,000. So this is what we call the share. The shares can be at any amount. So now we are going to learn about some of the terms that are related to shares. So terms related to share. So at first we are going to learn about the face value or nominal value. So face value or nominal value is the original value of the share. That means the amount at which the company itself sold its shares. That means, for instance, I told you that the total worth of the company is 1 lakh. So and the cost of one share is rupees 10. So this is by default adjusted by the company. So this will have a nominal value. Rupees 10 will have a nominal value. So nominal value means the original value. Original value. So the face value, it never changes. So now second comes a market value. Market value, or you can also call it cash value. So first a company sets the amount of the share. So we call it a face value. Now when the share is circulating in the market, that means one person buys it, another person sells it, like this it goes on, and the price of the share increases or decreases. So the price of the share at any time is called a market value. We can write it as MV or CV. So market value or cash value. So market value, it changes. So unlike the face value that never changes, the market value will change. So there are three conditions when a market value will change. Condition number 1. When the market value is same as the face value. So market value is equal to face value. This means that the price of the share in the market is same that the company has set. So market value is equal to face value. For example, you can say that the company has set the company has set the price of the share, that is the face value, at rupees 100. The market value will also be rupees 100. So the terms that will be used here is at par. So at par means if in the questions we see that the market value is at par, that means the market value will be equal to the face value. Condition number 2. The market value is greater than face value. So here the amount at which the company sells the price of the share is increasing. That means the price of the share in the market is greater than the price that a company has set. So in this situation, it will be said at premium. So if we take an example, the company has said the face value at rupees 100, but in the market it is 120 rupees. So you can say that rupees 100 shares at a premium of 120. That means the face value is 100 and the market value is 120. Condition number 3. So condition number 3 means market value is less than face value. So that means the at the price at which the company set the price of the share is less in the market. That means the market value is decreasing. Face value is greater than the market value. So it is called at discount. So the example is that the company sets the face value at rupees 100. In the market it is available at rupees 90. So you can say that rupees 100 shares at a discount of rupees 90. So face value will be 100 rupees and the market value will be 90 rupees. So once more summarize the terms that you have learned. So first comes face value or nominal value. So it is the price at which the company sets the price of the share. Next comes the market value or cash value. So the price of the share at any time in the market is called the market value. It can be equal to the face value, greater than the face value, or less than the face value. So here when the market value is equal to face value, it is called at par. When the market value is greater than face value, it is called at premium. And when the market value is less than the face value, it is called at discount. So this is a total concept of the share. Now we'll come to dividend. Dividend. So first we will learn what is dividend. So we can say that dividend is the profit or the amount that a shareholder gets from the company for its investment is called a dividend. So you can understand this with the help of an example. Suppose there is a rupees 100 share. Now suppose I purchased it, and for purchasing this share I get a yearly income of rupees 20, suppose I say. So that means this is the price of the share at which I purchased it, and this is the profit that I am getting from the share per year or per month. So this is called a dividend. And this 100 rupees will be the market value because I am purchasing it from the market. So this is the market value, and from this market value that I am purchasing, that means with the investment of rupees 100 I can get a yearly income of rupees 20. So this is called dividend. Now some terms related to dividend. So number 1, the rate of dividend. So rate of dividend, it is the percentage at which the company gives us the interest. Suppose I say that 10% rate of dividend. So this means the company gives a interest of 10% on my investment. Now there are certain things that I have to remember about this term dividend. So dividend is always calculated on the face value and not on the market value. Dividend is calculated on face value and not the market value. Dividend can never be calculated on the market value. It is always calculated at a face value. It means that a company will only give a dividend or the interest on its original value, that is a face value. So now I will try to learn some of the formulas that are related to the share and dividend. So our formulas are first we will write all the information that we need. So first we will write number of share. Second comes investment. Then comes face value. Then comes market value. Then comes rate of dividend. Then comes annual income. Or dividend received. Then comes rate of return. So first formula for number of share. So number of share. So as I've discussed earlier that share is always purchased at the market value. So number of share formula is investment by market value. Now investment is equals to number of share into market value. So investment means the total amount that I am investing. So number of share into market value. So suppose I purchased 2 shares of rupees 100. So 2 into 100, that means my investment is 200 rupees. So like this. Now number of share and investment we got. Now we will find out the annual income. So annual income formula is number of share into face value into rate of dividend. So number of share into face value into dividend. As I've discussed earlier that income is always given under face value. So number of share into face value into rate of dividend. So it got the annual income or dividend received. Now from here guys we can see that face value and rate of dividend. So with the same formula we can easily find out face value and rate of dividend if the other informations are given. So face value is equals to annual income by number of share into rate of dividend. So you got the face value. Now with this formula only you can easily find out rate of dividend. Is equals to annual income by number of share into face value. So from here we can easily get the rate of dividend. Now we'll find a formula for the rate of return. So rate of return is equals to So guys, remember one thing, that rate of return is always calculated as a percentage. So rate of return will be annual income by investment into 100. So this is the formula for the rate of return. Annual income by investment into 100. So from here we get our rate of return. And guys, last one is the market value. So market value you can easily calculate from this formula only. Number of shares equals investment by market value. So if we just rearrange the equation, it will become like this. Market value is equal to investment by number of share. So market value means investment in by number of share. So we got the market value also. So with this we have got all the formulas for the share and dividend. So guys, you can note down all the formulas from here. We come to the end of our video. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more solutions and explanations like this.